Hello gurus, welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. It's been just hovering around here for a while. We're going to look at the technicals. I'll try to get through to the Ethereum as well. Hit the subscribe button, join 78,000 people, smash up thumbs up button, make as much noise for the algorithm as possible. If you get into trading, if you start trading stocks, cryptos, and you get burnt out, you lose money, do not give up. Keep studying, keep learning, and change your life for the better. I do all of this from my phone. I've made millions in cryptos and stocks, and I've been trading for 21 years. Make sure you learn it because it beats a 9-to-5 job. It allows you to have financial abundance where you can travel the world, spend as much as you want, make thousands of dollars or millions or hundreds of thousands of dollars per day, and it really will change your life. But you have to stick with it. Don't give up. If you give up, you will fail. If you don't give up, you will succeed. It's just a matter of time. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. We're going into technicals. And you can see Bitcoin on the hourly has just been hovering. It's still making higher lows each time. You can see this for the last few days since the 25th. 22,000, 23,000, dropping back down to 23,000, 24,000, coming back down, 23,000. You can see it's making a fractal here, a very similar kind of pattern. But to me, it looks bullish, actually. Even though it's making this fractal here, it's kind of a bull flag. You can see that it's a little bit of a bull flag, pole and then flag. And I think it's going to break out towards the top of that $24,000. It keeps hitting it and keeps making higher highs. You can see here, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. If we can get a push up here, it'll be a higher high. Let's see how it does. Let's go into the 4 hourly. 4 hourly stochastic is midway turning to head up. And if you now we look at this bigger channel that we're in, and you can see here it's also been making higher highs, higher highs, higher highs, higher low, higher high, higher low. So it's making a higher low and higher high up, going up in this channel, which is also a giant bull flag from 16,000. You can see it's channeling here. So the top of the channel is 26,000, and you can see these green lines are the resistances, 25, 27, and 28,858. So on the 4 hourly, I would be going long here. On the hourly, I would also be going long here. It's oversold, turning to head up. On the 15 minutes, it's oversold, a slight pullback. There is this descending triangle that's playing out here as well. Hold on, let me draw it in. Oops, this one. We can see here that we've got kind of it already broke that downward trend line and it bounced off it. So I'd be going long here, the top of the target, 24,020. So I'd go long here. Always just put your order a little bit low because usually you're going to have a pullback before the order activates anyway. And then target would be the top of this channel. And then we can zoom out and see if it will be the top of the bigger channel. Yep, we could go to the top of the bigger channel. But most likely we will get a resist bounce off this top of this channel. You can see here. So most likely we'll get a bounce off there like that, or it could break through. So that can be one take profit, or it could break through and go back towards the top of the channel, which I think that would happen. So I'd open this long to be going all the way to the top of the channel, 26,000. That gives us a 66 risk to reward ratio trade, which is huge. If you know my trades, that's a massive trade. 66 risk to reward ratio trade, risking $42 to make $2,845 without leverage. Again, yes, you heard me right. Risking $42 to make $2,845 without leverage. With 10x leverage, that'll be $28,000 of profits. With 20x leverage, that's $58,000 of profits. Right? Yeah, $58,000 or $56,000. No, $58,000 of profit. So that's an epic risk to reward ratio trade. That's per Bitcoin. So again, per Bitcoin, you're risking $42 to make $2,845. 42 because that's our stop loss. So again, this is where the stop loss this is where the trade will activate at 23,365, the gray line. This is where the stop loss will automatically close the trade, 23,322. So that's the stop loss where the trade will close. That gray line is where the trade will open, and that green take profit is where the trade will take its profits. So again, it's a really good risk to reward ratio trade. It's risking $42 to make $2,845 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $28,450. With 100x leverage, it's almost $284,000 of profits. So that's a crazy risk to reward ratio trade. And that's the trade that I would take right now on Bitcoin. If you want to trade Bitcoin, underneath this video, in the description and the pinned comment underneath the video, I'll show you that here under the video in the description and pinned comment, going down below, using that link, signing up to Bybit, partner.bybit.com/buyalts. Using this link, you get $30,000 worth of bonuses. $30,000 worth of bonuses when you use this link and you meet the trading requirements. It's for a limited time only. So everyone go down below under the video, sign up to Bybit using that link, $30,000 of bonuses. And you can also take the Crypto Guru Master Course to learn how to do technical analysis if you've been losing money, if you want to learn how to trade. And you can join the free Telegram alerts group as well to see the other traders and talk to them. There's around 8,000 members, 7,500 members in there, which is beautiful. You can see here as well, your trade is stopped out. Yes, that's why we have a stop loss. Okay, that trade got stopped out. That's fine. My goal is to minimize my risk and maximize my gains. Thanks, James. You really have helped me much more than you ever know. Much love from Colorado. Thank you, Jason. Also, this student in the free Telegram, there's now 7,800 or 7,500 members. This student made 769%. This student made 308% on year. I didn't want a full-time job, so I'm in full-time in crypto. Now I work 24/7. It's so true. So that's that trade. So that's the trade that will take on Bitcoin. So once you sign up to Bybit using that link down below, so again in the description and pin comment, everyone go down below in the description description and pin comment down below there using that link to sign up to Bybit. That's where you can start trading. And then that will give you this trading account. And in here, I've got a Bitcoin long open, $1,627 in the profit. It's 8%. It's quite only 8% in the profits. It's $192,000 Bitcoin trade. That trade is currently open. I've got $224,000 in this account. I've got 3.5 Bitcoin, 66,000 USD, 11 million MCRT. That's what I'm having in this trading account right now, which is beautiful. Let's quickly go into Ethereum. And again, this is the trade that I'll take on Bitcoin. So target 26,000, trade opening 23,365, stop loss 23,322. Now let's quickly go into Ethereum. And I set some buy orders also for Meta. FXS down 4% right now. Big drop on FXS. Still in the profits. We bought it at around $10, but a big pullback, but it still made a lot of gains, which is beautiful. Let's go into Ethereum. Bitcoin pulling down the market a little bit. Let's go into Ethereum right now. Ethereum on the daily, but it's still broken out of this down descending triangle. This one here builds pressure and it broke out, retested, and now it's heading up. So that's a bullish pattern. And when we zoom out longer on the weekly, you can see that Ethereum broke a bigger descending triangle, like a bigger pattern. This is Ethereum going back to its all-time high at 4,800. You can see it broke this bigger descending triangle. And now it broke a smaller descending triangle. This one here broke to the upside, which will take us to the base of the triangle. It broke out here, and then you can see that it broke another smaller descending triangle, and now it's sitting above that resistance, which is beautiful. That trade worked out really well. That trade hit the stop loss. So this is the trade I would take on Ethereum. It still would be the base of this descending triangle. This one here is still bull flagging. So I would go long on Ethereum from this position, from this support here, stop loss just underneath, and take profit at the target. Actually, of that bigger descending triangle target, 2,200. 13 risk to reward ratio trade on Ethereum. Opening the trade at 1,624, stop loss at 1,575, and take profit at 2,293. Risking $48 to make $675 without leverage. With 10x leverage, $6,750. Which is beautiful. Those are my trades on Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the next video, I'll go over BNB in the crypto markets and the NASDAQ. Hit the subscribe button, smash up thumbs up button. I'll also show you my trades where I opened on Meta, Facebook. I set some buy orders if it pulls back a little bit, which is beautiful. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.